Welcome to Shree Barsana Wires Unit of Rajvardhan Agencies Private Limited, manufacturer and supplier of wires, wire mesh and expanded metal. The company was founded in 2002 at Kanpur. World-class infrastructure and good financial position make us different from others. Superior quality products, easy modes of payment, and complete client satisfaction make us stand apart from all brands. We offer a splendid range of expanded metals, HB wires and welded wire meshes. Our expanded metals, HB wires and welded wire meshes are best in the industry amongst others. We offer tree-guard and stainless steel wire meshes that are widely acclaimed in the market. Crimped wire meshes and wire ropes offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer galvanized iron wires and wire rope for cranes that are a class apart. We also provide wire mesh for tree guards and expanded metal for baskets that are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.sbwires.co.in.